if your Colorado fuel filters and drain plug here, they're going to get a bit of a bashing. It's probably worth protecting them. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to put a purpose-made plate on there to protect these filters and that drain plug from getting damaged. Let's check it out. So this is what we've got. This is the bash guard, bash plate, whatever you want to call it, been made here in Christchurch by a local guy for various makes and models, but today we're talking about the 2017 Holden Colorado, and that is what's going on to over top of the filters and the drain plug. So let's get into that. So what you're going to need is a 13mm socket or ring spanner to loosen and take out these 4 bolts that hold the fuel filter housing in place. And there you go, job done. That's just put into place loosely at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and tighten all those up with my 13mm socket. But just a word of warning, don't over tighten these things. You don't have to dislocate your elbow on it, just do it tight enough. You're going into a, I think it's an aluminium filter body, so you don't want to be stripping out the threads on those bolts. So take it easy on that. But that's it. That's finished product right there. Shout out to AC Fab in Christchurch. Cheers, mate.